What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, but this package comes from a YouTuber named Fahrenheit4051. If any of you guys don't know who Fahrenheit4051 is, he's one of the first fire alarm YouTubers I ever watched. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Let's see what's inside this box. Let's unwrap this. It's a space-age V33 remote light. What Fahrenheit4051 said in the description about this one has a flasher circuit. This one right here is a 24 volt DC model. Let's get to the test. The test starts in 3, 2, 1. Just like my V33 used to have, this one is a flasher circuit. Thank you, Fahrenheit4051, for this alarm. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Go follow my Instagram at FireAlarmGuy283, and go follow Fahrenheit4051's YouTube channel too, and his Instagram at Fahrenheit4051. Have a nice day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.